Hello everyone. Our lesson today talking about volumes of prisms and cylinders. The volume of a solid is the number of cubic units contained in its interior. The number of cubic units inside this solid. And the volume is measured by the cubic units, meter cubed or centimeter cubed and so on. Cavalry's principle here, if two solids have the same height and the same cross-sectional area at every level, then they have the same volume. Like that, for example, here we have three different solids and they have the same cross-sectional area for each one, the same area of this section, the same as this one, the same as this one. If they have the same cross-sectional area and they have the same height, then all of them they have the same volume. Let's find the volume of any prism. The volume of a prism is the product of base area of the base and the height. Then BH, the volume is BH, base area multiply the height. Let's solve this question. What is the volume of the rectangular prism? Here, to find the volume of this rectangular prism, we will find the base area of the base, then multiply the height. 24 multiply 20, this is the area of the base, this equal 480, then multiply 10, this equal 4800 cubic centimeters. Next question. What is the volume of the rectangular prism here? The given dimensions 5, 3 and 4. The area of the base is 5 multiply 3 is 15 and the height is 4. Then the volume is 60 cubic feet. Let's solve this one also. Here we have three dimensions 10, 6 and 5. The volume, as you know, is base area multiply height. The base is triangle, then area of the base, area of the triangle. Half 6 multiply 10, this is 30. Multiply the height of the prism is 5. Then the volume is 150 cubic meters. How to find the volume of the cylinder? The volume of the cylinder is the product of area of the base and the height, base area multiply height, like the prisms. Here, the area of the base is pi r squared multiply the height h. Let's solve this question. What is the volume of the cylinder in terms of pi? Since the volume is the base area multiply height, then pi r squared, the area of the base, the area of the circle, multiply the height 8, then pi r squared, r is the radius 3, then 3 squared is 9, multiply the height 8, then 8 times 9 is 72 pi, this is the volume of the cylinder, 72 pi cubic centimeters. Let's solve this one. What is the volume of the cylinder at the right in terms of pi? The radius here is 1 because the diameter, as you see here, is 2, and the height of this oblique cylinder is 3. Then using the volume formula, pi r squared multiply the height h, then pi multiply the radius 1 multiply the height 3, then the volume is 3 pi cubic centimeters. The composite space figure is a three-dimensional figure that is combination of two or more simpler figures like this one. Here we have the aquarium. What is the approximate volume of the aquarium? The aquarium here is combination of two solids. The first solid here, half the cylinder, this is half cylinder, and the other one is rectangular prism. We will find the volume of each one, then combine both of them, then add both of them to find the volume of the total. At the first, let's find the volume of the cylinder. The volume of the cylinder here, as you see, this radius is half the width of the solid of the rectangular prism, this one. Then the radius of the cylinder here is half this side, half the width of the rectangular prism, equal 12. And the height, as you see here, the height of this prism, of this cylinder, is 24. Then let's find the volume of the half the cylinder. Half pi r squared h, because this is half cylinder, not full cylinder, this is half cylinder. Then half pi, the radius, as we said, this is 12, then 12 squared, multiply the height 24, because the height of the cylinder the same as the height of the prism, both of them the same height, 24. Then half pi r squared, 12 squared, multiply the height 24. Then volume of the cylinder, or half the cylinder, is about 5429. Let's find the volume of the rectangular prism, the other prism, this one. Here we know that the volume of the prism is base area multiply height, base area 24 multiply 36, multiply the height 24. Then volume of the prism is 20,736. Then the total volume of both of them, of the aquarium, this volume of the cylinder, half cylinder, plus volume of the prism, by adding them, we will get that the volume of the total, or the volume of the aquarium, is 26,165 cubic inches. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.